So
Okay.
anything that we
KV2s is
say.
gonna be great.
There we go. Battle.
KV2.
I love derping HE into the front of a hold down T-29. That does like 400 damage to him.
Oh yeah, tier 8 game. Alright, we got this.
Well, we have a lot of tier 6 and 7s that we can derp. So, well, there's only one tier 7. I love that.
Heaven. The Panther too. What do we got here? We got looks like an even matchup.
Right. Well, I mean, we do have 3 tier heavies. Tier 8 heavies. They only have one. The FCM we can pin with the regular standard shell.
Yeah.
Let's go.
This area, I like playing locations in this area.
You see the clan or in the chat?
Come on, up here. Yeah, I've been.
It's like, really, guys? Yeah, now we know you're noobs.
We've already looked at all their bird.
User joined your channel.
Hey,
Hey.
user.
I'm back.
Okay, and you are on recording,
Yay.
so just watch what you say.
Yep.
Man, the party's gonna be close.
Oh yeah, they're recording. Yeah.
Oh, that should be good.
User left.
Boy, if I hadn't moved out.
Come here.
Gotcha.
Oh, hey, Johnny and Caboose came in.
Oh, nice kill. Oh, there's that combo. Come on, Stalin.
Hey, you can actually push up if you want to, because they're all on the left side here.
You're gonna say that. I'm gonna be like a herb. Hey, I think it spotted that one. Yeah. They're all over there, right?
Oh man, did someone just pop up?
Oh, yeah.
They're knocked out. Hydraulics are down.
Ow.
We have to hand crank the turret.
Get out of here, Combo. Well, I know, that's a Skoda. And of course, my round is Stalin, not Guide Shell.
Oh man, I didn't even let it aim. Gosh, dude, we wrecked this team. Really, you're gonna go for me?
Yay, I missed!
Okay, I'll just shoot you in the side.
What's a ghost?
Enemy vehicle
Yeah,
destroyed.
you're lucky. I didn't do anything. My round went right through the tank.
Oh, he gave me his side and he shot at me, so I just decided to give him back the courtesy of a shot.
And I'm gonna be shot by a T-40 all day long.
I was gonna say, watch out for the Artie,
Yeah.
because he took a oh, there he is. Okay.
Oh. I'm not gonna get no damage in this game.
Gotta be more aggressive with the KV2, man.
want to hit?
One of those games, I hear ya. There we go.
I'm fully on the move, T40, and I hit him. It gave me 2.
Target acquired.
He was booked.
756 damage.
Or little French
Oh,
thing.
you gonna get him? Oh, it looked like he got the splash on him. That would have been cool. Wow, I didn't even have to use HE that game. They kept giving me the side of the tank.
You're firing AP. I don't fire AP in that too.
Dude, I got 1200 damage. That's it. I must have been mopping up the kills. All right, Paradox, you ready?
Yeah, 1 second.
Oh, I lost on my tier 5 game.
Oh, and you want to play tier 5? Because I can match.
Yeah. I gotta grind this out.
Ooh.
When in doubt, I have a cancer for it. I can match that with cancer.
Ooh, I can get my tier 5 engine. Ooh. Oh god.
Yeah. I like my sky cancer.
Oh god.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
You just better focus on the IS-7. IS-7 or the T-20. They're gonna be the real problems. Their spotted just light them up.
There is no IS-7 on this map.
Oh, okay. I'm in IS. IS.
Yes, there's an IS-7 in this match, guys.
Ha ha.
To YouTube. Alright, where are you going? Where can I...
I'm gonna go Magic Forest.
Okay, make it rain.
Yeah, agree.
I hope to see a unicorn.
Who?
Oh, look at that crow poem.
Time to roll out.
Totally melts on. Nope, not a chance.
Cannot wait to get the tracks on this thing.
Almost 3,000 efficiency. Not a reload at all. Correction, not even 500 games. Yeah.
I think I'm just gonna use my 5 high explosive tank rounds. I'm not even gonna do the premium, or I'm gonna do the premium. Not even gonna use standard.
Alright, let's light him up.
Someone's stat pads a lot.
Who? Me?
No.
I only step back.
Here. I like how we all been matched before us.
There's like no one ever had cap.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what we find.
And the tier 5 is gonna take the lead. Ooh, okay.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm not gonna say. He was trying to hit the T-20 that was behind the building and he pulled the trigger right as I
Target acquired.
Yeah.
Where did they go? Enemy armor is destroyed.
Come on, guys, get in the cap. You might want to shoot the cap because our guys
That's
are
what
gonna.
I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm in the cap right now. There's a car on the being perfectly stationary. So.
A miss?
Yeah, I
Enemy
was
armor is
30%
damaged.
God, dude, I'm doing 400 damage per shot. I freaking love this.
Oh!
Lucky pen.
Was that
I don't carry premium in this.
oh, wow.
I only carry HE. I mean, the gun's okay.
Where did that shot go?
Hopefully the T-34 you don't use.
Oh, we just destroyed this game.
The thing about this gun is you just have to keep it singing.
Well, yeah, by the
Okay,
time
You
you
guys done great.
hit the shot, it's already reloaded.
I'm bad.
Yeah,
Wait a second, I have to go yell at somebody.
User left your channel.
and I love it. Oh, I hit the guys on the move over there. Over in G2. Unspotted on the move. Nailed him. I probably should just...
Hi again.
Hello again.
People.
Yeah, we should have...
Peoples. Actually, hold on. I can make this right.
Do you
What
have
is
authority
this?
to do that?
Just
I
like,
actually- yes, I
Oh
do.
man,
just
44%.
put my Super 7 asterisk recording asterisk.
Training. Just keep
I
going.
don't
Just keep
do
going.
that.
What do I make the X-Lays?
So what you do? You're doing YouTube something or Twitch?
No, YouTube.
Yeah, Tank
Critical
earlier
hit.
told me search up tutorial, make a Twitch account, and get OBS
Your channel
because
was edited.
you're
Okay, don't
Critical
because
hit.
you're pretty funny with your gameplay. I go through the entire trouble when I finally finish their job.
Who's really funny?
Apparently I
Didn't
am.
penetrate their armor.
Don't worry, we...
The turret ring is damaged. We can barely
Ow.
turn it. Track hit.
What the hell? Oh my gosh, you don't have to do things negative.
Yeah, in the tier 6, tier 8 game overall, the tier 6 earlier. Dag, we're
Stuff it within negative waves.
just yelling at each other. So what are you guys doing?
I am being Sky Cancer.
Lane. Yeah, he's being Sky Cancer. I'm being derped by my own teammate.
I'm running
And
out of
he
the...
killed.
Gotcha.
That's how that's like.
Well, anybody want to do the strategic two-way support?
No.
Practice, man. Because you get a Type 59, Type 58, Type 59, it's super OP, medium,
I don't
crim,
care for those.
tier 8, and then a year's worth of premium time. For,
What is this?
Yeah, that's for the soccer event.
Whoa,
Yeah.
how do you get it? Because
Well, it's a tournament, teams of 3, and it starts one day and ends like 2 days later. But I reckon that you're going to be taking place in a group, and like the first, second, and third place teams out of each group every day win a premium Type 58 tier 8 medium. And I hear personally, and a lot of people do, that it's super OP. It's super rare.
What is this? What is the tier 8 medium?
Type 58, Type 59.
Oh yeah.
And it's one of the two, like super OP, and you get a year's worth of premium time on your account.
Nice.
So personally, it's worth
tank destroyers, shall we?
I'm sorry. After last year's event, after people started hacking, no, thank you.
Oh, you mean the, Oh yeah, when they did the
When they done the
soccer tourney
soccer
last
event
year.
last time,
Yeah, there was so much hacking.
it's not worth it, honestly.
it. 2 battles I've gone into so far, I've met people on my own team that are just tracking me repeatedly. So I told one of them that if you track me intentionally again, I will play for the enemy team. because with friends like these, who needs enemies?
Too true.
Oh man, the odds are just not in our favor.
May cancer reign victorious.
Well, hey, as long as
it will be on your favor.
Warmaker doesn't get shot by our own team.
Oh wait a minute, I'm not running Sky
Again.
Cancer? Oh. Whoops.
Yeah, you're one tank destroyer.
I should have gone Sky Cancer. And I think this
Again.
we should realize that some people just TMI. TMI.
Let's go.
That's the hashtag of today.
Gosh.
I'm gonna let him know. You're on YouTube.
Yeah.
Congrats. This is on YouTube.
This is on YouTube. Good job, guys.
Gosh.
That's a pretty unique gift. Yes.
I'm big. No, really aggressive tier 5 stock tank. Hear me.
Wait a minute. Oh shoot, this is tier 7. I'm not as overpowered. Never mind. Run away. I don't know. If you're gonna edit this video, I feel like you should remove this battle.
Wait,
Uh-oh.
what were you saying?
Uh-oh.
I feel like if you're gonna put this on YouTube and you're gonna edit this video at all, you should remove this battle.
No, I don't remove this. This is all
Mm.
going right into my hard drive.
Issue underway. There's an issue underway.
Nope.
I told you what it was.
I knew that, but I didn't realize it's also bloody inaccurate. I'm just use my
They're
carcass.
not inaccurate.
I thought they were.
They have a 38.
Wow, and
Not
somehow I got spotted.
I don't know, maybe they're rude.
Bail out.
What the hell shot me?
Vehicle is heading.
How did I get shot? That's what I want to know. Well, we lost a small town, so...
Wow. We lost everything in this game.
One of our trucks is damaged.
It's because I was not cancer. Because cancer was not.
Yes.
Alright, you guys want to garage it?
Already crashed.
Garage. We're gonna garage it, guys.
Holy crap. I have 21,000 experience to go. Well, since you're playing your...
You lucky.
Oh, wait, it's already in battle, though.
Yeah. New tier.
Alright, what do you guys want to play?
I'll run anything.
I'll get this out of the way then.
Alright. Oh god.
Alright, I'm gonna match that.
I will
this.
match as well.
I got this.
Yeah, right.
Hold on.
I like how
I got this.
wait. No. Leave that up there, Warmaker.
No.
Let's roll. Let's roll.
No, let's do it. Seriously. Let's see how many ragers we have.
Let's not, because...
Whoa, wait, you guys all have the FE. Let's just run the tier 6 FE. Let's all do it.
You
Oh
have one here?
god, not again.
I have that.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Let's do it.
Dude, yes.
Oh, death.
I have a hilarious game in this thing. It's just... Oh, yeah. Itchy made it into a video.
For all you gonna watch this video, good lord. God help you. Uh-oh. Get 8-2.
Oh, this clan. Oh, you know what, though? This is actually the perfect map, because we can all go to the left side, depending on which way we spawn.
We're in the north.
Okay, so right side, it just fucks shit up.
Hammer.
As long as we don't have the MT25, Jesus. That's all they tank we really have to worry about.
Yeah. Just throw them away.
Let's get this show on the road.
Oh my gosh, and none of our heavies are gonna go to the right side.
No, we got a VK, 4503, and AMX 5100.
Okay, that's good. I don't know why the ONE is gonna go to the left, and the 112. Good lord.
We got this, guys. We totally have this in our bag.
This AMX 50 UFC is like
Aiming in.
pure nice job. You know, you could just go around the mountain.
No, I like being special.
Yeah, you're special.
And then.
I know. No one wants to get spotted because we're all gonna just. Oh, a comment.
Target spotted.
Ooh, it's a
Aiming
comet.
in.
Shells out.
Stock comet. Shoot it.
Oh, 441 damage. Holy crap.
AMX, AMX, AMX.
Aiming in.
Shells out.
Ooh, that hit. That hit.
Do you see why I love
Firing
cancer?
in case of strike.
Oh, T29. Let's just get him out of here.
Shells out.
Critical hit.
Oh, he's gonna be pissed.
Track.
We gotta focus on T24.
Round out.
T2064 next.
Oh no, he repaired it.
Let's just
Quickly kill him.
Critical hit.
I didn't pen? What?
IS3.
Yeah, let's get him.
No.
And I may
He's killed.
That was close.
Maybe.
No.
245.
Alright, let's get
Oh, 460. Oh, he's getting pissed.
Damn. Nice.
How much do you need?
I don't know.
Oh, get the comment if you can. Take him out of the. We might need to retreat here. Or not.
I highly recommend we don't, because there's just
No. Firing.
Critical hit.
fire. Dude, I just got shot at.
Try and get the IS3 if you can. IS3.
Round out. He's out. Alright, I'm out here. All the way.
Critical hit.
Yeah, I'm running
Alright,
now.
I'm running away.
Come on, move, tank. What are you doing?
Come on, you better go.
Hey, Warmaker, get back. Just get back. Turn around. Turn around.
No, I'll cover you. You go. You go.
I got both of you covered right now.
All right. We're the only ones defending camp, by the way.
So what?
Here I come.
You're forgetting this guy cancer.
Do you have shots on that T2064?
He's out of range. Not for very much longer. Shells out. Merry Christmas.
Yes, he stopped. Oh, come on. Round out.
Ah.
Oh, it would have hit too.
They should just kill him.
Where did KV2 go? Where did KV2 go?
I know. I hope he's coming over here. Yeah, I'm gonna spot for you guys. Oh, there's a KV2. Light him up.
Yes.
Hot him up. Up.
Oh, shot out.
Who's gonna get the RP? Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it?
No. Nah,
Alright, I'm going to take the story.
let's do this. TD mode activated.
TD! Should we throw it?
The RHM we could easily kill.
Yes. Do it. Someone throw it in
Three
chat.
birds. 3 birds in TD. Oh my gosh.
Oh wow, that was actually pretty close.
I right clicked.
And I got the kill.
Enemy armor destroyed.
Oh my gosh, RHM.
Target acquired.
447 damage. And he missed.
I want this.
And I got the ring. Ah, that's epic.
You wouldn't let me get a ram kill.
Okay, come on, man. It was a shot out. I'm sorry.
You owe me a ram.
I owe you a ram kill. Holy crap, I did 1,463 damage. We all did good that game.
Except me. No kills.
Oh, you did 552 damage on a tier 8 match. Pretty sure. Did you not see the chat? They were all pissed off at us. We gotta do that again.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Wait.
We were actually getting complimented by the arty. Or by the players.
Which team was complimenting us?
Well, our team, of course. They're like, well, yeah, the arty too. And besides, that shot on the AMX 5100 wasn't even fully aimed. It was like just starting too. So,
Dude, I just right-clicked at the AMX.
I know that was
No idea.
that was pretty close too. I saw that, like the splash damage on the tracks.
Alright, I just want to tell you how much I love my FE304. I have a 1-perk crew, and I'm 70, almost 70% to my second perk. Woohoo!
Nice.
Bros in arms.
Yeah, if we could get one of those in an FE04 crew.
Well, what? Brothers in Arms? That's my first perk.
Or no, what is it? It's crucial
It is
contribution.
Brothers in Arms.
It is?
Crucial Contribution is another medal. Crucial Contribution is get 12 kills. Brothers in Arms is we each get 3 kills
Okay, that's-
and we all survive.
Jesus, what a map to play on.
Yeah, because all we gotta do is set a base, literally. We don't
Yeah.
have
Well,
to-
as long as you don't get rushed on that side, because that side's pretty easy to get rushed at.
No, I ain't. We're staying right here where we're parked. I'm getting in the bush and hiding.
Oh, hey, do see if you can't get for the the artillery. Do you have the view range for the
Counter
artillery?
battery?
Yeah,
Counter battery?
yeah.
Move out.
Yeah. Well, we have to look at just a hair,
Yeah. Currently our range is up to about the BA line.
but I got my range right. Yeah. that's
Okay.
all we got here.
Wow, we only have one tank going.
Oh well, if he lights him up and we hammer him, there's no need for more
Oh,
vehicles.
there's one.
And
saying hell
32,
no.
32. That one way the heck out of nowhere. Where did that shot? My sky cancer grease your heads.
I know he's like, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. That was a hit.
Critical hit.
I did like no damage, but I won't call that as a hit.
Oh,
That one didn't go through.
that bounced.
No, that didn't bounce. It just didn't.
Oh, he repaired. He used a repair kit.
His repair kit's done as soon as he gets turned on. Just pepper.
Critical hit.
There's a 431 shot.
The track. This track look like hello.
Critical hit.
Try and get that T-34
Where you guys?
if you can.
I got the 32. Wait, did you know that, guys? Oh, by the way,
Oh,
VK.
yeah, I got him now.
VK, reload, aiming him.
Merry Christmas.
Critical hit.
Did I hit him?
No, that was a splash.
No,
Ooh, VK?
mine splashed too.
Okay.
Yeah. Convoying him.
Shots off the VK 4503. I destroyed him.
Nice. I did. Edge on trap.
Doing so well.
Yep.
Let's get these.
Critical hit.
Oh, this guy's getting pissed.
The VK?
Yeah.
There you go. This cover's gone. This cover's gone. Quickly. Oh, arrow.
Alright, try the T-26, the Super Pershing.
I recommend we get this.
Arrow.
Alright.
Find out.
Watch the two.
Yeah, I know.
He could spot you from there.
Yeah, you could pretty much spot me.
Alright.
Oh, the VK-40 or 28. He shot.
Yeah, he sees me.
Fire.
I hit him.
Alright, I'm reloading. 3 seconds. Alright. M6.
Oh, M6.
Burt platoon out. He Burt platoon was trolling. He's moved.
Okay, that's what we're doing here.
Let's go for this KV-5 right here. We've got his flank.
I don't have the view range for him.
Run.
Oh, I tried.
Critical hit.
Damn it! Do it with it. No, shoot him with engine bomb. Crit his engine.
No.
That was one of ours.
What was
I hit him. Fire.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you got a guy.
Yeah, no, I killed.
You killed him.
Critical hit.
That was a favor. Let's get the M6.
People can't really blame the person that velocity.
Slow shell.
They're knocked out.
I got him.
Yeah. So if they get in the way, it's impossible for us to do anything about it. Now, I need
Alright, just aim it on Captain.
Hey, to your far right, A0, there's an artillery. So...
Hopefully I hit the
Please
steady
shotgun this T-34-1. I'll go for the kill.
button.
Or not.
No, it's just a T-34. Oh, Jesus, guy no shell. Nailed it!
Oh, there you go. That's what's up. Man, I almost feel like doing that again.
OP.
Even though I killed a guy by accident.
Master Badge, second class, 600 XP, 1,300 damage. Okay.
Nice.
The vehicle's too powerful.
Well, when you average 460 damage against the IS-3, yeah.
Let's see. Let me check my service record. I want to know exactly how close I am because I'm getting closer. I'm gonna get my marks soon in my 304. 62%. Oh, so close.
Where's my KV-1? Dude, I did 480 damage to that T-20 the first game we played with the KV-1. I'm like, holy crap. And they still nerfed the crap out of this thing, too. Back in the day with the derp, it was fun.
Yeah, what, do you run the derp on your KV?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because when you come into, like, tier 7 matches like this, at least you can do damage with HE.
Yeah. The ARL is very, very hard to like, especially when you have 3 birds trying to kill you.
Yeah. Do you guys want to go castle, or do you want to go left side with all the other heavies?
I'm thinking we go left,
Okay.
but we just stay behind and take shots.
Well,
Let's go.
what's our AMX gonna do? Okay, he's going.
RDLC?
Yeah.
Hold on.
He's gonna go light him up. Really?
Yep.
Really, dude? Here, what? I have a heat shield.
Don't do it. Don't.
There's about a 40% chance that I can one-shot you right now.
Yeah, right?
There's more than there's more than
Actually, no, because we're going to do about 370. So if I roll
It don't matter.
fairly high, and it'll go right through that turret of yours.
Look how that shot is right in the middle. Right in the middle.
Yeah,
Like, honestly, it's right in the middle of it.
because this tank always needed a hole there.
Dude, we are the only tanks coming this way. I mean, we have the Chaito, but he's not going to be able to pin the freaking T-29. We're screwed, basically.
So,
Unless the
Yeah,
enemy
yeah,
team
Cheeto.
running trains over there. Didn't think about that now, did you?
No, I didn't. So suck it.
Oh, oui. Oui.
Please respot that KV-2.
stop. I want one. Oh. Hello. I like how it didn't even.
That hurt. I don't approve.
400.
Ow.
This
And he bounced. I think that VK had it in for you. Well, you were right about one thing. They all went to the left side.
Yep.
Yeah, got to hit the tank.
Really?
Ow.
Yeah. That's...
Penetration.
And he bounced.
I saw some digital red confetti floating across.
Yeah.
I thought that I might just have a tiny red insect across my screen.
And that KV-2 is not firing the nerf gun. Why did you play KV-2 then?
Target acquired.
Fuck, I couldn't even get the turnaround.
Russian heavy
Everyone get out.
to the Russian artillery line.
Yeah, the KV-2. He's not even firing derp gun. Don't play KV-2. Please.
Alright, I'm in the
Shout out,
garage.
Do not
He's
play
stuck.
KV-2 if you plan to use the 107.
Right?
That's stuck. He's got the upgrade turret and everything. You don't even need the upgrade turret.
Well, I mean, I understand if you want to try and get the DPM, but the KV-2 is just so much fun in a pub match.
With
Should I
derp
be
guns.
Plus,
This is made for derp
152
guns.
makes it useful in makes it practical in every type of match.
Let me sing you the song of my people. Symphony in 152 mil.
Yes.
Yes.
Bang, bang,
The
bang,
KV-2
bang,
didn't
bang,
even have the
bang,
107. It was never equipped with it. That's the thing.
It is. Oh my gosh. This is wrong.
Yes, yes. Give me an AP around coming in.
Oh my gosh.
Remember, we are defending, which means they will come to us.
Yes, yes.
You know, you can actually
My
hang
AP
out
shot.
near B1, and they won't be able to spot you,
Charge? Okay.
Warmaker.
Yeehaw.
Alright, so.
So yeah, no, I got my premium AP loaded for
Hey,
maximum output of IS-7.
I know I have a tier 7 heavy and a tier 6 T.
You wanna know what?
pushing me.
I'm loading pure premium ammunition to the FE304 right now.
What?
It has no premium in it.
Let's go.
Here, let me push you.
What type of ammunition do you have?
Oh, thank you. And already pushing it heavy. And then, oh, please. Come on, guys.
I
Oh,
can
it only
shoot
has
over
HP.
you.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to keep one type of round.
Oh no, where is it? I just hit the
That's not KVI. Is that... He is. Holy crap.
What?
KVIS. Oh no, he is coming this way. Okay.
The KV1S?
Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing.
No, actually, he's going
That
down
doesn't
the
exist.
main.
Okay, originally it was called the KVIS. You look at the Jingles episode of the KV1S, the way you guys call it, he calls it the IS.
Sneaky.
And the
Alright,
LKMX. Come on, guys.
Let's hit this KV85. He's on fire.
How about the T34-85?
I can hit him. But I'm aiming and loading. Wow, that's... Oh, wait, what the... Hello.
Yeah, there's a...
They got people at camp. Remember, guys,
I
I got
nearly hit
3K
the LC.
damage.
I nearly hit the ELC. Where is he going?
Oh, I thought I hit him. I mean, a KV2 trying to aim at an LKMX is about damn near impossible because of the velocity range. Nice hit.
Thank you. That wasn't even aim.
Target acquired.
This one isn't either. Oh, yeah, it is. I lied. But it missed.
Ooh, it's a KV2. It's King of Derp.
It's the gang.
It's the King of Derp.
The King of Turf is actually a tier 3.
Target released.
The
No.
cruiser. No, cruiser 2.
Does it? No. Does
Yes.
it fire?
They fire
Special
PG
flight
and
ship?
everything that is
Track
tier
hit.
and lower.
Oh yeah, the tier 3 with the tier 5 Derp.
Alright,
love
I'm
it.
gonna
I've got
face,
one
you
perfect.
put yours up, and I will face my KV2.
Well, no, that's
Hey, get that T67 if you can.
Well, if you say
He's just out of
if you
range.
say it's the king,
Can the
I'm
King 2
the
ones up every single
Okay.
tier 6?
not all of them.
And the tier 3 can?
Tech bro.
Tier,
I love that head.
what hack?
The possible of KV2 pinning an angled SU with an AP round. It's almost virtually impossible.
I know.
You fire an AP round and it went right through my man.
I'd like to know you. I'd like you to know something.
You'd like me to what?
I'd like you to know something. You're a great player. I'd love to support you, but I'm out.
Nah, well, I mean, considering we're losing, and I haven't really been able to hit anything that I've spotted, yeah.
I haven't hit anything at all. Yeah.
Shells out. RNG.
I get one shot
Here, this time I'm actually full game.
Yeah, well, there's too many TDs on that hill, and they'll just kill me.
True. Oh, hey, it's an AV1. I thought it was going to go drown this one for a second. I didn't even name that.
I really feel like going after this KV1, so that's what I'm gonna do.
Don't. I got it.
Target acquired.
I'm just... Oh, watch KV2 on your side.
But he doesn't even have a shot on me. But that guy does.
KV1. Which guy? KV1.
No, an unspotted guy.
Mobilize.
Wow, really? He would track me. Now you're dead. And the KV2 missed.
Enemy armor is destroyed.
Alright, here. Get this guy.
It's okay, Artie took me out.
This vehicle has had it.
Ha! Whoop, nailed him. Why is the person behind me?
Who knows?
Skill.
Because he accepts. Oh, this is sad.
Dude, and this team just fell apart. I mean, the ARL is camping in the back, so...
Don't worry.
And
Our
the-
turret can carry.
Hellcat, yeah. Oh, wow.
You know what was funny?
I'm facing a team, and they
Hold
have a KV2 on
You know,
1 health.
you know the
and he's
damage.
on 3
Hold on.
kills.
You know how much damage it just did to you?
What?
It didn't set you on fire or anything, right?
Yeah.
The popper just said it did 275 to you, not 280.
What?
Yeah.
So I'm not dead?
You're not supposed to be dead, and it killed you though, and it said 275 damage.
I feel light too.
Get the AMX. Why is he shooting at an OI when he can kill the AMX?
One of our tracks is damaged.
Oh my gosh, people. If you see a tank that's lower and you can kill him, kill him. Jesus Christ. Why shoot at a fully health OI? I feel like playing the OI now.
Come and platoon with me because I'm playing my OI. That's how platoons work, right?
No.
You platoon with people who are
I'm
playing
playing
at the same
my
time.
OI too.
Oh, well, why don't you invite me and I'll play my OI?
No.
Darn it.
Watch what Paradox brings up.
There we go. This is gonna be the
OI.
last battle because I actually have to get ready for work too. So this will be the perfect battle to end on. All the lights.
All shall fear us.
Oh God, the perfect map too. We should all load
Fear
premium.
us.
You know what? Let's load
AP,
premium.
AP, AP. No, I'm loading AP. I don't care no premium.
I'm loading AP. Where should we go?
Let's go down Tank
Tank
Alley.
Alley.
Yep.
Thank God.
I don't think we can fit.
Hold on. I'm loading AG in case the OI comes.
Okay, the only thing we have to worry about is the
Is
Cromwell. No, the Crommy.
Nah.
That
Let's still go
platoon.
Tank Alley. A Crommy going down Tank Alley is suicide.
Yeah, well, I'm saying if we push too forward, they either
Well, that,
Oh yeah.
can
that
flank.
requires us to be stupid, though.
So we have to push Tank Alley hard in order to
Yeah.
get those Crommies to think
Yeah.
twice.
But remember, our only weakness right now is the other OI, possibly if he has Derp or not.
The KV2.
And then KV2. Possibly if he has Derp.
Oh, look, it's all
And I'm already getting hit by Artie. I fucking love it.
You went that.
Well, the OI is going to the left, which I don't know why, so...
Okay, so.
Don't question me, just accept it. Where was the extreme before?
Okay, so the KV2 just shot.
KV2, yeah.
We need to push, I think, hard.
Dark shooting on the move. Get it. Yeah.
Target acquired.
Oh, push.
And it missed. I love it. Nice.
The radio
Wow.
is down. We can only
Keep
signal
pushing.
nearby
Just keep
vehicles.
pushing.
Just keep
Don't stop.
rolling, just keep rolling. Just keep rolling, just keep
Find another target. Target acquired.
Bounce.
Target
This is
acquired.
so
Let's
hard.
find another target.
He rammed me.
Critical hit.
He just rammed me.
Yeah.
There we go.
Push.
Oh, T-34 to our right. Behind us. T-34 behind us.
Ready to fire.
KV2 just tracked us. Yeah, he tracked us in this thing.
Alright, our flag's about ready to be overrun, guys. We need to go back to the flag now. Told you,
Tell me
the,
why
We're going
turn
back.
around.
those Crommies pushed hard, so we
Yeah.
need to push.
I'm trying. I'm stuck on the wall. I'm coming.
I'm gonna get around this OI for you guys, though.
This 85 D is down.
I bounced the combo. I
Wait.
bounced the
I
combo.
failed to send the
Critical hit.
episode AV from OI.
Yep. I just had to.
Alright, warning your
Alright, I
slow
can't
for a
push the
second.
bill. Yeah, they'll
Tracy
flank
131.
Nope.
Nope. That's where we're
Aiming in.
Are you guys good over there?
Nope.
Get out.
Nice. I don't know why he charged you.
Because he wanted to die. As soon as this crumble.
And there's the other one.
Payback.
Oh, stop and aim at this crummy.
I got 14 seconds.
And we all missed.
Oh well. Maybe.
This game is just stupid.
Well, I'm having fun.
Well, I mean, we have 5 kills between all of us.
It would have been 6, too. But no.
You know, I think
Oh, there's a KV2. Nice.
GG.
Let's go to though. There he is. Man, that was almost too easy.
Just go to T. Just go to
People say the
T25.
OI's garbage now.
Annihilated.
It's not.
Alright.
Bounce around and then I just...
That was a good game to end on.
Iraq.
That was just funny. Just